Hello kiddos, howdy bacha. I hope you all must be alright. So this is Shipra Dave, your English mentor, and today I'm gonna talk about English only. So when we talk about English, I think it has become the pressing priority today. Some of you might be taking it as a problem, but it has more than a problem. You know, just because you think it is a problem, somewhere, somehow, just because you are not able to speak English fluently, that's why it comes in your mind कि हाँ English थोड़ी problematic है. So first of all, I want you to change your attitude towards this issue, and please do not address it as a problem and be stuck with the rest of your life. I'm gonna give you few tips to enhance your spoken English. So the first one tip is talk to yourself. So guys, this is one of the simplest thing you can do to increase your English. See, what you have to do, you have to talk to yourself. You can start even right now. It could feel a little bit strange. कभी-कभी बहुत अजीब लगता है खुद से बात करना, but it's truly magical. Most of us have a little voice in our head when we think. Some people don't have this, but believe me, most of us do. We have something in our mind, but we have this thing in our mind in Hindi or in our regional language. It would be beneficial for you, especially if you don't have anyone to practice speaking with. Because sometimes हमारे साथ में ये प्रॉब्लम आता है कि हमें लगता है कि हमारे साथ कोई बात करने वाला नहीं है. So this is the finest way and this is the best one way. Second, सबसे best और सबसे important tip है आपके लिए, that is you have to create your own word bank. अपना खुद का word bank, अपनी खुद की vocabulary create करो. As you have started making sentences in your head or out loud, everything you do in your day, just watch out. And there is a specific word or phrase that you just don't know in English, so just keep a vocab diary in your phone, in your pocket, in the notebook, wherever you want, but just find the word in English and keep a record. Set the reminder as per your convenience and go through the words at least twice a day. So let's move on to tip number 3. You have to enjoy this language, and for that you have two options. First, watch the easiest one videos. Easy video, what does it mean? It means the easy content I'm talking about. कार्टून्स देख सकते हो आप, आपका जो फेवरेट वेब सीरीज है इंग्लिश में, लाइक आपको गार्डनिंग पसंद है तो गार्डनिंग की वीडियोस यू कैन वॉच इन इंग्लिश, कुकिंग वीडियोस इन इंग्लिश, मूवीज, वेब सीरीज एंड मेनी मोर थिंग्स, वॉट एवर यू लाइक. अगर आपको फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर्स पसंद है तो आप उसकी कोई मूवी देख सकते हो. आपको नॉन फिक्शन भी पसंद है तो यू कैन गो फॉर दैट टू. इट्स टोटली अप टू यू. व्हाट इज योर एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट? So basically choose a piece of video content that you really enjoy watching because it will be easy for you to understand. कभी-कभी हमें लगता है कि हाँ ये लैंग्वेज इतनी हार्ड है तो why to go for that hard language? Easy लैंग्वेज पे जाओ. अब मैं आपको ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि फर्स्ट स्टार्टिंग के अंदर ही that you have to start reading newspapers और नहीं. Don't go through this thing, but yes, you can watch the easy video contents that you like. The second one point is listen radio talk shows. It would be really beneficial for you. You just do one thing, just listen it thoroughly. Radio talk shows in English, or else we can say you can listen your favorite shows in English language. You can also read English comics, your favorite author, sci-fi stories, fictional, comical, motivational, whatever is your area of interest. But just figure out what you enjoy the most. Which one piece of writing you find interesting. Third point जो है हमारा, that is observation. Try to observe English from your surrounding. Just note down the useful words, phrases, sentences, and try to speak the same day. If you do not encounter the situation to use these words, I think I suggest you to create it and talk to yourself for at least 10 minutes, even in front of mirror. हाँ थोड़ा सा अजीब लगेगा, but yes, you can start this today only. See, many of us, what we just generally do, we just put our ego in that. हम कहीं ना कहीं हमारा जो ईगो होता है, सेल्फ ईगो हर्ट हो जाता है कि अगर हमें ये लगता है कि हाँ हम इंग्लिश बोलेंगे और सामने वाला उस चीज़ का रिप्लाई नहीं कर पाएगा या फिर हमारी इंग्लिश का मजाक बन जाएगा. सो माई फोर्थ पॉइंट इज दिस ओनली, जस्ट पुट योर ईगो असाइड. दिस स्टेप इज ऑल अबाउट पुटिंग योर ईगो असाइड. Many of us associate English with intelligence. It is hearsay that if you cannot speak English fluently, you are not intelligent. People judge others' English very easily. So always keep in mind, every time someone is making fun of you, they are not making fun of you, they are making fun of themselves. They are making the fun of insecurity within themselves. If they make fun of your English, which means they are conscious about their English. But yes, if they are correcting you to speak wrong English, just take it as an opportunity. Because if you make mistakes while speaking in English, it's perfectly fine. If people point out your mistakes, you remember those mistakes for the lifetime. So guys, just unlock the power of language and you will unlock a world of endless possibilities.